Can you imagine something so powerful it can trap light itself? Out there in space, we have these incredible objects called black holes that do just that. Think of them as cosmic whirlpools where nothing can escape, not even light. Hey there, welcome to Pluto's Hub. Today, we're diving into black holes, the most mind-blowing objects in space. Don't worry if they've always seemed confusing. By the end of this video, you'll be blown away by what you learn. So black holes start off as these really massive stars, way bigger than our sun. These stars burn fuel to create heat and light, kind of like how a campfire needs wood. But when a giant star runs out of fuel, something incredible happens. Without the energy pushing outward, gravity takes over and pulls everything inward. The star collapses in on itself with an unbelievable force. This collapse is so intense that it squeezes all the star's matter into a tiny point. Around this point forms what scientists call an event horizon. Think of it as a boundary in space. Once anything crosses this boundary, it can never come back out. That's why we call these objects black holes, because light goes in but doesn't come out, making them look black. Black holes are absolutely mind-blowing. They actually bend space itself. Picture space as a stretched rubber sheet. A regular star makes a tiny dent, like placing a marble on the sheet. But a black hole, it's like dropping a bowling ball. It makes such a deep dent that anything nearby just falls right in. This warping of space causes light to curve as it zooms past a black hole. It's just like how a glass lens bends light. This bending can actually help us see galaxies behind the black hole, like peering through a giant magnifying glass in space. Near a black hole, time really slows down. If you could watch someone fall into a black hole, not recommended, they'd seem to move slower and slower as they got closer to the edge. For ages, scientists couldn't actually see black holes. They could only figure them out by how they messed with things around them. It's like knowing there's a strong wind outside, not by seeing the wind itself, but by watching trees sway. But in 2019, scientists pulled off something mind-blowing. They turned our entire planet into one giant telescope by linking radio telescopes from all over the globe. Working together, these telescopes snapped the very first picture of a black hole. The image shows exactly what scientists thought: a dark circle surrounded by a glowing ring of hot gas. This black hole is insanely far away, 55 million light-years, meaning the light in that picture traveled for 55 million years to reach us. Scientists have also picked up ripples in space called gravitational waves that happen when two black holes smash into each other. These waves are like ripples in a pond when you drop a stone, except they're ripples in space itself. Ever wondered why black holes are such a big deal for us here on Earth? It's mind-blowing, but most galaxies, including our Milky Way, have these massive black holes right at their centers. These black holes are like cosmic architects, shaping how galaxies form and evolve. They push scientists to dig deep into the fundamental rules of our universe. When we study something this extreme, it's like putting our theories to the ultimate test. Think of it like testing how waterproof your boots are by jumping into the deepest puddle you can find. Every new discovery about black holes gives us a clearer picture of our universe. The same physics that helps us understand black holes also drives new tech innovations here on Earth. Scientists are constantly building better tools to study these cosmic giants. Future space telescopes will give us the most detailed views of black holes yet, helping us crack mysteries that have stumped the greatest minds for decades. Black holes remind us that the universe is even more mind-blowing than we ever thought. They're spots where the rules of space and time get seriously wild. Next time you gaze at the night sky, remember that among those stars are black holes, cosmic giants shaping our universe in the coolest ways. What's the most fascinating thing about black holes to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you love diving into these cosmic wonders, smash that like button and subscribe for more space adventures. This is Pluto's Hub, where we make space mysteries easy to understand. Catch you next time.